Namaste everyone. Welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we dive into the latest updates from the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I'm Swara, the world's first AI anchor in the gems, jewelry and fashion industry by Swar Media Network. Meanwhile, as the markets and policies shape the backdrop, the jewelry world is glittering with fresh trends, innovations and breathtaking designs. Let's explore the latest trends, updates and insights with the Indian Gems and Jewelry News. The Platinum Guild International Buyer-Seller Meet 2026 concluded in Kochi after bringing together leading manufacturers and retail partners to unveil new collections, shape festive season strategies and strengthen the platinum jewelry category. With innovation, collaboration and consumer-focused growth at its core, the event reaffirmed platinum's growing momentum in India's jewelry market. The implementation of the India-UK Free Trade Agreement on July 15th has given India's gems and jewelry industry a major export boost, granting duty-free access to the UK market. The landmark pact is expected to significantly enhance India's global competitiveness and could more than triple jewelry exports to Britain in the coming years. PNG Jewellers has reported a robust 41% year-on-year revenue growth for the first quarter of FY27, driven by a 56% surge in retail sales and strong same-store performance. The impressive start to the fiscal year reinforces the brand's expansion momentum and sustained consumer demand across the jewelry market. Kalyan Jewellers staged a strong rebound after a sharp sell-off, as investors responded positively to the company's robust first-quarter business update and strong revenue growth. The swift recovery signals renewed market confidence in the jewelry retailer despite recent volatility. Indriya Aditya Birla Jewellery has created history by unveiling India's largest hand-painted Madhubani hoarding in Patna, a 1,000 square foot tribute to Bihar's rich artistic heritage. Crafted by local artisans, the initiative beautifully blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary bridal jewelry storytelling, redefining how heritage is celebrated in luxury retail. Mia by Tanishq has partnered with Lakme to launch a lifestyle-led campaign that pairs fine jewelry with beauty, offering effortless styling inspiration for everyday moments. The collaboration reflects a growing trend of fashion, beauty and jewelry brands coming together to create holistic lifestyle experiences for modern consumers. Tanishq Natural Diamonds has unveiled Souls in Symphony, a new collection celebrating the strength of modern sisterhood through natural diamonds and contemporary design. Fronted by Shushmita Sen, Radhika Apte and Ananya Pandey, the campaign shifts the narrative from jewelry to meaningful human connections, reflecting the evolving aspirations of today's consumers. Titan-owned CaratLane is eyeing a strategic expansion into West Asia through Dubai-based The Mass Jewelry, leveraging the retailer's extensive regional network instead of launching independently. While geopolitical tensions may delay the rollout, the move signals CaratLane's ambitions to strengthen its international footprint through strategic partnerships. Joy Alucas is bringing its Brilliance Diamond Jewelry Show to Hyderabad, showcasing an exclusive collection of diamond creations for a limited period at its Suchitra showroom. The exhibition highlights the brand's continued focus on experiential retail, offering customers access to distinctive designs and exclusive festive offers. Senco Gold and Diamonds is embracing the growing self-gifting trend with its new Drops of Joy campaign, encouraging consumers to celebrate everyday moments with fine jewelry rather than waiting for special occasions. The initiative reflects a major shift in jewelry buying, where personal expression is becoming just as important as tradition. Joe's Alucas has launched its signature jewelry show in Visakhapatnam, showcasing an exclusive range of world-class gold jewelry through a limited period exhibition and sale. The initiative reinforces the brand's focus on experiential retail, offering customers access to exclusive designs and special festive offers under one roof. Now speaking about the world of international gems and jewelry news. Diamond giant De Beers has cut prices on select rough diamonds and reduced its elite buyer network by about 25%, signaling a major reset in the global diamond trade. The move comes as the industry grapples with weaker demand and intensifying competition, making it a closely watched turning point for the natural diamond market. French high jewelry house Messika has unveiled a spectacular necklace showcasing the 20.46 carat Okavango blue, the largest blue diamond ever discovered in Botswana. The extraordinary creation celebrates one of the world's rarest gemstones, blending exceptional craftsmanship with the growing global fascination for ultra-rare colored diamonds. Graf has unveiled 12 one-of-a-kind butterfly high jewelry brooches, transforming its iconic motif into wearable works of art that capture the illusion of movement through exceptional diamond craftsmanship. The collection reaffirms the Maison's mastery of blending nature, innovation, and haute joaillerie into timeless luxury. Tiffany & Company has unveiled its new Love and Celebration campaign starring Academy Award winner Mikey Madison, redefining fine jewelry as a symbol of self-love as much as romance. Centered around the new 16-stone ring, the campaign celebrates individuality, empowerment, and the evolving meaning of modern luxury. French luxury jeweler Boucheron has unveiled its latest carte blanche high jewelry collection, Human Being, placing the human hand and craftsmanship at the heart of haute jewelry. The collection redefines luxury by celebrating emotion, individuality, and the artistry that no machine can replicate. French high jewelry Maison Chaumy has unveiled its latest A Journey Through Nature collection, transforming the beauty of botanicals into 46 extraordinary creations that celebrate nature through exceptional gemstones and artistry. The launch reinforces luxury jewelry's growing emphasis on storytelling, craftsmanship, and emotional design. Italian luxury Maison Buccellati has unveiled its Serenissima high jewelry collection, drawing inspiration from the timeless beauty and architectural grandeur of Venice. Blending exceptional gemstones with masterful Italian craftsmanship, the collection celebrates the city's rich artistic legacy through contemporary haute joaillery. Thomas Sabo is tapping into the power of nostalgia with a new Hello Kitty jewelry collection, bringing the iconic character to its popular charm club through playful collectible designs. The collaboration reflects the growing demand for personalized jewelry that blends pop culture with everyday luxury. Chopard has expanded its iconic Mille Miglia classic chronograph collection with 3 limited edition timepieces inspired by historic racing colors: British racing green, French blue, and German silver. Celebrating the golden era of motorsport, the launch blends vintage racing heritage with contemporary Swiss watchmaking. Now let's turn to the latest in Indian fashion news. India's appetite for occasion wear is on the rise, with Myntra reporting a 50% year-on-year surge in demand for women's occasion wear, led by homegrown D2C brands during the wedding season. The trend highlights the growing influence of Indian labels in shaping the country's festive and fashion landscape. Fashion e-commerce is entering the quick commerce era, with Ajio's latest campaign spotlighting its same-day delivery service through its Big Bold sale. Featuring actor Shraddha Kapoor, the campaign reflects how speed is becoming the next big differentiator in online fashion retail. After decades of crafting exquisite textiles and embroidery for global luxury houses like Dior, Prada, and Fendi, India's renowned Chanakya International has stepped into the spotlight with the launch of its own luxury label, Chorus. The milestone marks a defining moment for Indian craftsmanship, shifting from behind-the-scenes excellence to global brand leadership. Nykaa is set to deliver one of its strongest quarterly performances in recent years, projecting nearly 30% year-on-year revenue growth for the first quarter of FY27. Driven by strong momentum in its beauty business and a recovery in fashion, the outlook reinforces the resilience of India's premium beauty and lifestyle retail market. And lastly, the exciting international fashion news. Paris Haute Couture Week Fall-Winter 2026 concluded on July 9th after 4 days of exceptional craftsmanship, creative debuts, and artistic reinvention. The event brought together some of the world's most celebrated maisons, including Chanel, Christian Dior, Balenciaga, Giorgio Armani Privé, Schiaparelli, Iris Van Herpen, Robert Vaughan, and Stéphane Roland, alongside significant jewelry showcases. Pandora introduced its Pandora Wonders creative platform, Mikimoto unveiled its Lekla high jewelry collection, while Rahul Mishra partnered with Tanishq Natural Diamonds to present an exclusive couture jewelry collection, highlighting Indian craftsmanship on one of fashion's most prestigious global stages. Estee Lauder has raised the cost of its ongoing restructuring program to nearly $1.75 billion, underscoring the scale of its transformation as it streamlines operations and reshapes its global business for long-term growth. Luxury fashion house Miu Miu is giving timeless denim a fresh identity with its new Denim Signatures collection, blending vintage-inspired washes with contemporary craftsmanship. The launch reflects the brand's growing focus on elevating everyday wardrobe essentials into coveted luxury pieces. Beauty giant Shiseido has unveiled a breakthrough in anti-aging research with the discovery of Ring Collagen. a unique skin structure that helps maintain facial firmness. Powered by AI-driven 3D skin visualization, the research could pave the way for next-generation skincare innovations targeting sagging and skin elasticity. Christian Louboutin unveiled its Spring-Summer 2027 menswear collection through an immersive presentation inspired by an imagined ancient civilization, transforming the runway into a world of myth, monumental sculptures, and storytelling. The showcase reflects luxury fashion's growing move beyond clothing, creating cultural experiences that blur the lines between art, history, and design. Kering has advanced two major long-term initiatives. The luxury group has partnered with 8 leading Italian educational institutions to strengthen the future of luxury craftsmanship by creating new training pathways for the next generation of artisans. It has also accelerated its landmark partnership with L'Oreal, with the beauty giant securing a 50-year worldwide beauty license for Gucci, set to begin in 2027. That's all for today. From the dazzling world of jewelry to the excitement of the glittering gem and jewelry shows, there's always something shining bright. Stay connected with Swar Media Network for more trends, insights, and updates from the world of gems, jewelry, and fashion. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems, and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शबा खैर.